In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, organizations are increasingly moving away from manual processes and embracing automation. This transition is driven by the need for greater efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. Automation reduces the risk of human error, streamlines repetitive tasks, and frees up valuable time for employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. By adopting automated solutions, companies can respond faster to market changes and maintain a competitive edge. The shift not only enhances productivity but also fosters innovation and growth within the organization. As technology continues to advance, the importance of automation in modern workplaces becomes ever more critical. Aver Technology employs a systematic approach to automation, ensuring a smooth and effective transformation for organizations. The process begins with an initial assessment, where current workflows and business needs are thoroughly analyzed. Next, Aver designs a tailored automation strategy, identifying key areas for improvement and selecting the most suitable technologies. Once the strategy is finalized, the team moves on to implementation, integrating automation solutions into existing systems while minimizing disruption. After deployment, Aver conducts rigorous testing and validation to ensure optimal performance and reliability. The final step involves ongoing optimization, where processes are continuously monitored and refined to maximize efficiency and adapt to evolving business requirements. This structured methodology enables organizations to achieve sustainable automation and long-term operational excellence. In summary, successful automation requires careful planning, clear objectives, and a commitment to ongoing improvement. Organizations should assess their current processes, identify areas where automation can deliver the greatest impact, and invest in training to support their teams through the transition. Aver Technology's methodology stands out by providing a structured approach that minimizes disruption and maximizes results. Their expertise in change management and process optimization ensures that each phase of automation is handled with precision. By partnering with Aver Technology, organizations can confidently embrace automation, knowing they have the support and guidance needed for a seamless and effective transformation.